Fucking righteous, man. Dude, I swear, Mom, like you buy everything we got. Spaghetti right there, hamburger, cheesecake. I don't know what I want. Man, it's fucking righteous. Man, look at all this stuff. Hamburgers, hot dogs. Mom, you is something else. Fucking righteous. Let's see what you got here, Mom. I'm so hungry. Man, it's not much. Oh, man! Mom! You got a whole thing of milk! There's still some in there! I love you, Mom! Yeah, y'all know, when you're black, all you need is a big bowl, big spoon, a little bit of milk, and some cereal, and you got breakfast.